So over here on the left side, you can see that I have a bunch of shapes. And if I were to go around and click on this rectangle right here, then you can see that I can bring this in over here. So now what I can do is I'm going to type in this is a content, for example, let's see, and then I'm going to go around and then copy out this text and then paste it out right here. So now here what you see is you see this text box right here, and the text is overflowing the text that is actually there. And if you want diagrams.net to automatically resize that for you, then you can go around onto the menu right here and arrange, as you can see right here. And once you go to arrange, you can see auto size is an option. And once you do that, what happens is that it arranges out the text right here, and it auto sizes the content for you. So this may work for some while it may not work for others, but you can see that as I go around and resize it, this is how it works right here. You can go around, resize it out right here, and auto size changes this out into a single text. Let me just go around over here and bring in something else and type in some content right here, and you can see that this is what you have right here. So now if you want this to auto size, then you can go around onto arrange auto size, and it auto sizes that as well. So this, depending on different shapes that you have right here, you can go around onto auto size, and it auto sizes out so that it fits out with the text right here. So that is how you can use the auto size feature inside of diagrams.net to auto size the shapes that you bring in as per the text it has. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.